Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. Welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is 2nd July 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 4, Plants Our Green Friends. So student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So in the previous video, student, I explained you what are the function of a stem, how the stem support the other part of the plants which are above the ground. Is it clear? So how stems support other parts of the plants which are above the ground, like branches, leaf, birds, flower and fruits. It also carry water and mineral to all parts of the plant. This is the function of a root, but roots are in the soil. So water and minerals are absorbed by the roots, and after that the root pass this to stem, and then the stem carry this water and mineral to all parts of the plant. Another very important function of the root is another very important function of the stem is it also transport food which is prepared by the plant. And which part of the plant prepare the food? That is known as leaves. Is it clear? That is known as leaves. So the food prepared by the leaf is transported to all parts of the plant by the stem. And another important thing is that some stems store some extra food also, and such stems are known as such stems store extra food in them also, and these stems are sugarcane, potato, ginger. And if you see potato and ginger, they are underground stem, because we take potato and ginger out from the soil. That is the reason they are known as underground stem. So these are some of the function of the stems. After that we start with the leaf. I explained you the structure of a leaf. The thin broad part of the leaf is known as leaf blade, or you can also say it as a lamina also. There is a main vein in the leaf in the center, and with this main vein many of the side veins are attached. So they are known as a side vein of the leaves, and they help to distribute water. Okay, so now let's start with the function of leaf. Let's talk about the function of a leaves. So as we know that leaf plant can prepare their own food. So which of the part of the plant prepare the food? So leaves prepare leaves prepare food. So which part of the plant prepare food? So leaves prepare the food. Is it clear? Now after that, the process by which leaves prepare food is called photosynthesis. The process by which leaves prepare food, that process is known as photosynthesis. Now student, I will explain you how leaves prepare their food. So leaves prepare food. What are the things required? That is air, water, sunlight, chlorophyll, so these are the things required at the time of photosynthesis. So when I am talking about air, air is a mixture of gases. Air is a mixture of gases. So there are many gases in the air. So which gas is required by the plants at the time when they prepare the food? That is carbon dioxide. That is carbon dioxide. As we know that we are dependent on plants because our living gas is oxygen, and this gas we are getting from the plants. So how the plant get carbon dioxide? See, our living gas is oxygen and we breathe in oxygen from our nose, and when we breathe out, then what gas come out from our nose? That is carbon dioxide. So in this manner, plants are also depend on animals and human beings because they are getting carbon dioxide from animals and human beings. Is it clear? Now next thing, in the leaves what is present? That is known as tiny pores. Tiny pores in leaves. Tiny pores in leaves, they are known as stomata. Tiny pores present in leaves, they are known as stomata. So what is the role played by this stomata? Due to these openings, exchange of gases take place. Exchange of gases takes So what happen here? Exchange of gases. Okay, plants take carbon dioxide and release oxygen. And release oxygen, and this oxygen is our living gas. So air is required for the process of photosynthesis. Now I am explaining you about photosynthesis. So now first one I explained you. Now let's discuss about water. As we know that there are two systems in the plants. As we know that student, there are two systems in the plant. One is known as root system, another is known as shoot system. Root system is below the ground. Roots are under the soil. And shoot system, that is above the ground. So what is the role of this root system? It bind the plant. Due to this, the plant above the soil can stand. And another important role which is played by the root system, which I have already explained you when I explained you the function of roots. Root absorb water and minerals from the soil. So water is also required by the plant at the time when they prepare their food. So this is absorb water absorbed by roots. Absorbed by root, and after that root passes this water to the stem, and from the stem this water reach to the leaves. आई बात समझ में? लीव्स में वाटर कैसे पहुंचता है? क्योंकि वाटर को ऑब्जर्व करने का काम है रूट्स का. तो रूट ऑब्जर्व वाटर फ्रॉम द सॉइल and then it send this, or you can say then it pass this water to the stem, and through the stem the water reaches to the leaf. लीव में क्यों रिच कर रहा है? इसलिए क्योंकि लीव इज द पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट विच प्रिपेयर द फूड, और वाटर भी चाहिए होता है. सो ये वाटर का भी हो गया. नाउ सनलाइट, वी आर गेटिंग सनलाइट फ्रॉम द सन. Sunlight we are getting from the sun. Okay, we are getting sunlight from the sun, and this light of the sun is absorbed by this chlorophyll. Okay, and chlorophyll is present in the leaves. So we get sunlight from the sun. And what is the function or role of chlorophyll? It absorbs sunlight. It absorbs sunlight, and the food is stored in the form of a glucose in the leaves. The food is stored in the form of a glucose. Okay, so this is the complete process of photosynthesis. Is it clear? This is the complete process of photosynthesis. Now I repeat it so you are able to understand. See student, what happens? Light, what are the things required for photosynthesis? That is air, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. So chlorophyll is present in the leaves. Okay, chlorophyll is present in the leaves, and air, from the air the plants get the carbon dioxide. Water is absorbed by the root, and then they pass to the stem, and from the stem it reaches to the leaf. And when the sunlight falls on the leaf, as you know that the green pigment present on the leaf is known as chlorophyll. It absorbs the sunlight. Sunlight is absorbed by the chlorophyll which is present in the leaves. So in this manner leaves prepare their food. So in this manner leaves prepare their food. So this is the complete process of photosynthesis. Now next point given, leaves give out a gas called oxygen. Second point is leaves give out gas called oxygen. So as I told you earlier, at the time when leaf prepare the food, so stomata is present in the leaves, and these are the opening through which exchange of gases take place. Okay, plant take carbon dioxide gas and it release oxygen gas, and this oxygen gas is taken by the animals and human beings. Next point, leaves of some plants store food. For example, as I explained you in the roots also, there are some special roots which store food in the roots like carrot, radish, beetroot, turnip. And when I explained you about the stem, then there are some special stems also which store the food like sugar cane, potato and ginger. So sugar, potato and ginger are the underground stems which we eat. In the same manner, students, some leaves also store extra food in them. ठीक है? In the same manner, some leaves also store extra food in them. So this is the third point. Leaves of some plant store food. Example, spinach, cabbage, lettuce and coriander. So some plants also store, some leaves of some plant also store extra food. स्पिनच है, जैसे आप लोग बहुत सा साग खाते हो, आपके घर में बनता होगा, बहुत से साग हैं, तो वो सब क्या है, जो साग हम लोग ईट करते हैं कुक करके, तो दैट इज द फूड इज स्टोर इन द लीव्स. ठीक है. कैबेज आप लोग खाते हो, जो बंद वाली गोभी होती है, पत्ता गोभी जो होती है, ठीक है, उसे आप ऐसे रा भी खाते हैं हम लोग, सैलेड में ऐसे रा भी खाते हैं, और उसे हम लोग कुक करके भी खाते हैं. लेट्यूस की लीव्स को भी हम लोग खाते हैं। कोरिंडर क्या है, जो हरा धनिया होता है, ठीक है, तो उसे हम लोग आफ्टर कुकिंग द फूड वी पुट द लीव्स ऑफ कोरिंडर इन दैट to increase the taste of the food. So these are the leaves which store extra food and we eat these types of the leaves. ठीक है, ये वो लीव्स हैं जो एक्स्ट्रा फूड स्टोर करती हैं और हम इन लीव्स को क्या करते हैं, ईट करते हैं. It is shown in the book also. See the diagram. This is a picture of a cabbage, spinach, and this is the lettuce leaves which we eat. Cabbage, spinach, and lettuce. Now, next topic which we will cover in today's video is the, I have already explained you parts of a plant, function of a roots, function of a stem, and function of a leaf. Now the next important thing which we will discuss now, that is the flower. Flower, when we are talking about the next important part of the plant, that is the flower. Flowers are the most attractive part of the plant. ठीक है, flowers जो हैं, they are the most beautiful, they are bright and very attractive part of the plant. You see lot of bees, butterflies near the flowers because they get nectar from the flowers. Is it clear? And nectar is their food. Nectar is their food, so they collect nectar from the flowers. So, and the most important thing is that, student, these flower change into a fruit. It's a very long process. You are in class 3 standard. When you will go in higher classes, then you will understand how this take place. क्योंकि इसके लिए पूरा मुझे आपको फ्लावर का रिप्रोडक्शन पढ़ाना पड़ेगा. फ्लावर में रिप्रोडक्शन कैसे होती है, what are the male part of the flowers, what are the female parts of the flower. So this is the concept of the higher classes. Okay, बस आप शॉर्टकट में इतना समझ लीजिए कि जो फ्लावर्स होते हैं, जितने भी फ्रूट्स होते हैं, फ्रूट्स डायरेक्ट नहीं आते प्लांट में. फर्स्टली फ्लावर्स कम्स एंड फ्रॉम दिस फ्लावर चेंज इनटू द फ्रूट. ठीक है, जितने भी आप फ्रूट्स खाते हो, ठीक है, जितने भी आप फ्रूट्स खाते हो, आप अपने सराउंडिंग में ऑब्जर्व करना बेटा. सबसे पहले क्या आते हैं, फ्लावर्स आते हैं, और ये फ्लावर्स आफ्टर सम टाइम दीज फ्लावर चेंज इनटू द फ्रूट्स. ठीक है, so flower is the most attractive part of the plant. It lot of bees and butterfly you will see near the flowers, and these flowers change into the fruits. These flowers change into the fruits, and some of the uses of flower वो मैं आपके संग डिस्कस कर देता हूँ. ठीक है, अब देखो फ्लावर फ्रूट में कैसे चेंज होता है. इट्स अ वेरी लॉन्ग प्रोसेस, और इसके लिए मैंने बोला ये भी हायर क्लासेस में आएगा जब रिप्रोडक्शन ऑफ फ्लावर आप पढ़ेंगे, रिप्रोडक्शन इन फ्लावर्स. ठीक है, बस आपके कॉन्सेप्ट थर्ड क्लास के स्टैंडर्ड से आप ये समझ लो कि फ्लावर ही चेंज होते हैं फ्रूट में. बहुत से बच्चे ऐसा सोचते होंगे कि आम के पेड़ पे पहले मैंगो आने लगते हैं. नहीं, आम के पेड़ पे भी आप देखते होंगे वाइट वाइट बहुत छोटे छोटे पहले फ्लावर्स टाइप के आते हैं. ठीक है, तो जितने भी फ्लावर हैं, ठीक है, कोई भी आप फ्रूट वाला है तो पहले फ्लावर्स आते हैं और फ्लावर ही चेंज होके फ्रूट बन जाते हैं. ठीक, अब कुछ यूजेस ऑफ फ्लावर्स डिस्कस कर लेते हैं थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा लोकेशन. ठीक है, सो फ्लावर्स आर यूज फॉर द डेकोरेशन पर्पस। हम लोग फंक्शंस पे, डिफरेंट ओकेजन्स पे, वेडिंग में, इवन व्हेन वी गो टू द टेम्पल टू वर्शिप द गॉड, वी यूजेस द फ्लावर्स। ठीक है, फ्लावर्स से गार्लैंड्स मतलब बहुत बड़े बड़े हार भी बनाए जाते हैं फ्लावर्स के। जैसे रंगोली कलरों से बनाई जाती है, तो फ्लावर्स से भी रंगोली बनती है। इज इट क्लियर? सो these are the uses of the flower are used for the decoration, सजाने, डेकोरेशन मतलब सजाने के काम आते हैं। जैसे आप देखते हैं ना, दिवाली है, जब हिंदू फंक्शंस होते हैं, दिवाली होते हैं या किसी की वेडिंग होती है, तो हम लोग डिफरेंट टाइप्स के फ्लावर से डेकोरेशन करते हैं और ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है। इज इट क्लियर? सो फ्लावर्स आर यूज फॉर द डेकोरेशन पर्पस। और इसके गार्लैंड्स भी बनते हैं। गार्लैंड्स मतलब बड़े बड़े हार। ठीक है, और रंगोलीज, जैसे कलरों से रंगोली बनती है ना, तो फ्लावर से भी रंगोलीज बनाई जाती हैं। ठीक है, फिर फ्लावर ऑफ सर्टन प्लांट्स, और फ्लावर, कुछ प्लांट्स के फ्लावर ऐसे भी हैं बेटा जिनको हम लोग ईट करते हैं। कॉलीफ्लावर, ठीक है, जो फूल गोभी आप लोग बोलते हो, बहुत अच्छी लगती है खाने में। कॉलीफ्लावर ये क्या है बेटा? प्लांट का कौन सा पार्ट है? ये फ्लावर है प्लांट का। जो कॉलीफ्लावर हम लोग खाते हैं, 1 पॉइंट हो गया। फ्लावर्स आर यूज्ड फॉर डेकोरेशन। 1 पॉइंट ये हो गया। नेक्स्ट, सो वी ईट flowers of certain plants are used as food. Example, cauliflower, banana। ठीक है, तो कुछ प्लांट्स के फ्लावर्स को भी हम लोग ईट करते हैं। ओके, वी आल्सो ईट फ्लावर और सम प्लांट्स, जैसे कॉलीफ्लावर है जो फूल गोभी होती है। अच्छा, मैं इसकी फोटो दिखा देता हूँ आप लोग को। ये देखिए, सी द फोटो, दिस इज द फोटो ऑफ ए कॉलीफ्लावर। दिस इज द फोटो ऑफ ए कॉलीफ्लावर। सो बाय सीइंग द पिक्चर, आई होप सबको अब पता चल गया होगा कि कॉलीफ्लावर किसको बोलते हैं। ठीक है, और जो बनाना का पेड़ होता है उसके फ्लावर को भी हम लोग ईट करते हैं। ठीक है, सो फ्लावर ऑफ सर्टन प्लांट्स आर यूज एज फूड ऑल्सो, लाइक कॉलीफ्लावर, बनाना। ठीक है, और फ्लावर्स की बहुत अच्छी स्मेल होती है ना? फ्लावर की स्मेल बहुत अच्छी होती है, इसलिए वी आल्सो मेक परफ्यूम्स फ्रॉम द फ्लावर्स। फ्लावर्स of some plant, flower of some plants like rose are used to make perfumes। ठीक है, सो फ्लावर ऑफ सम प्लांट्स लाइक रोज आर यूज टू मेक परफ्यूम्स। तो फ्लावर से क्या